the LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video on the Coolpad Snap for Boost Mobile. So the Coolpad Snap is a flip phone, y'all got to see that there. So the Coolpad Snap will be a great backup phone, trap phone, or whatever. So yeah. So the Coolpad Snap at Boost Mobile is $29.99 right now. They can have it $50 off. If you guys used to carry it Grads 2019 there, they get 20% off. So the full retail price of the Coolpad Snap is $99.99. So yeah, so there's the phone right there, your typical flip phone. So you get y'all have the internal, y'all have the screen there, your earpiece, Coolpad logo, your inside, so you get your messages. But I guess that's why you get your contacts and another clear button there. Your buttons for other things. You got your call key, you have your and power key there, you have your numeric pad here, you have your volume buttons right here, and this is, I think, is a camera button, I think, right here. So yeah, there's a last time y'all guys have a micro USB charging port there. Your camera button right there, y'all gotta say it is a camera button right there, because there's a camera logo next to it there. It's fucking thick as fuck when it's closed. See how thick it is? There it is open here. There's the camera key right there. Little knots to prop the back up and to access the battery and stuff. The back of the Coolpad, y'all guys have a speaker and Coolpad binding, and that's pretty much it. Alright. So it says here the Coolpad Snap keeps you connected to the centers with everything you need to call, text, set calendar, appointments, and reminders. Staying in touch has never been easier thanks to easy to use navigation, large keypad, and convenience. Dedicated keys, alright? So this is a flip phone, so yeah, so this is a flip phone, so it is what it is. So the Coolpad Snap has a 2.8-inch display, 2 megapixel camera, 600 talk time, 40 bytes of storage. It has Android AOSP, so this has like a modified version of Android and based on Android Oreo. So that's pretty interesting. So how that works, guys order the phone, wait for your friend to arrive and pick a new contract point. So simple as that. The features of the Coolpad Snap: dedicated keys, simple navigation, and convenient dedicated keys make the Snap easy to use. All the basics in one. A simple communication experience with everything you need to call, text, set calendar, appointments, and reminders. Photos and videos in a Snap. Photos and videos will not be looking good on this phone because it's low grade camera. Press the dedicated camera key, then press the OK key to quickly snap a photo, then again to confirm and save. Over. You guys have a 2.8-inch main display that's on the inside of the phone. Then you have a 1.77-inch external display. So it says here the bright 2.8-inch main display is easy to read and navigate, and the 1.77-inch external screen lets you read messages and alerts at a glance. It has 512 megabytes of RAM, 4 gigabytes of ROM. Keep your favorite music, video, and files at your fingertips. Stay connected with 4G LTE coverage for calls, text messaging, and sharing photos. This does have 4G LTE. It is a Snapdragon quad-core processor. The quad-core processor helps you do more, providing a smoother and more enjoyable experience, even while multitasking. You're not doing a whole lot of multitasking with this. It also has Mexico roaming capable. Stay connected even when you're traveling in Mexico. Plan area is required to use it. It also has mobile hotspot, which is pretty good because a lot of flip phones nowadays they are 4G LTE and they have hotspot usage now. So this one has hotspot, so this one is no different than any modern flip phone right now. So it says keep talking even. So they basically just got stuff mixed up. It's an old hotspot. It says don't get started without internet connection. Turn your phone into a Wi-Fi hotspot from when you got access. Access varies per point, of course. So do keep that in mind. And then it also has voice capable. So it's keep talking even when you return pro outside to spend an hour. Set plans include 50 minutes per month of domestic voice roaming. Right? So they just got get this thing. They just got this 2 things system, so they can fix that. Especially this one, like I said, it's a flip phone. So what do you expect? It is a 1399 battery. Battery is removable, so that's good. It is 12 megabytes of RAM, 4 gigabytes of ROM. With support for micro SD cards up to 32 gigs, Snapdragon 210, 1.1 GHz quad-core, and with ASP. 2 megapixel camera with autofocus, 2.8-inch touchscreen display. So this thing's touchscreen. According to this is touchscreen. So that's really interesting. If it is indeed touchscreen, it also has a 1.77-inch external display. Your dimensions there is 4.29 inches height, 2.17 inches width, and 0.74 inches depth. That is when the phone is closed. Y'all have to see that there. Your connectivity options with the Coolpad Snap is Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, micro USB charging, no Type-C, 3.5 headphone jack there. So yeah. And what you guys get in the box is you guys get the Coolpad Snap, information booklet, SIM card installed, micro USB charger, get started guide, English and Spanish. It's all one booklet there. And if you guys need help with your Coolpad Snap, device support is here to help. It's here to help with that. If you guys need help to learn how to use your certain feature on this Coolpad Snap phone, device support can help you out with that, alright? So if you guys are looking to get a trap phone, burner phone, backup phone, this is a phone worth checking out. Like I said, this is not for everyday uses. This is really for a backup phone, so do keep it in mind. So if you guys need a backup phone, this one's not this one's for getting for a backup phone. So if you guys want to get a secondary phone or whatever, get this one, try it out. It's $30. This is a flip phone, so you did get what you paid for here. So don't expect a whole lot from this one. You did get 4G. You did get 4G LTE. You did get hotspot. You get a modified version of Android and stuff like that. So if you guys are looking to get a backup phone, the Coolpad Snap is worth checking out. So right now it's $29.99. British Company has it on sale. The full retail price of this one is $99.99. So there you guys go, Coolpad Snap, now available at Boost Mobile. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys, it bless me a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.